Hope we're yeah, of course we're very busy with the organization, and it's getting closer and closer, so we're getting more and more excited, but also tensed a little bit, because yeah, there are always things that have to be done last minute, or we manage to get them done last minute. So, but in general, it goes very well. Yeah,
amazing. So this year, you guys are celebrating the 35 years.
35th edition. Yeah, correct. Yeah.
Wow.
Yeah, it's
congratulations.
It goes very fast. Yeah, and even we skipped 2 years during COVID. So it's yeah, it's a very old tradition, the Hi-Winds event.
And tell us, how do you plan on making this 35th edition extra special, you know, for everybody that's coming to watch, but also everybody that's competing?
Well, first of all, we have a few, or actually one new, what's it called, kitesurf
category?
Category, yeah, yes. Indeed, thank you. Which is called Kite Cross. So that will be interesting. It's yeah, it's an obstacle run for kite surfers with a cancellation. So you start with 4 people, and then one person actually makes it to the finish line, and will be the winner, and then goes on to the next heat. So it's a free event. You'll automatically participate when you register for any other of the categories. You're not obligated. You don't have to participate, but you can if you want. Other than that, we yeah, increased our prize money. Actually, we will be handing out a total of 35,000 florins on prize money, $20,000. Wow. So if you, as an adult, for example, become number 1 in let's say the long distance or the windsurf slalom, then you will earn yourself 1,000 florins as a reward. So that's higher than last year as well, and reason yeah, to actually compete this year. And well, we of course have a lot of entertainment as well at night, and we're changing some things on the setup in the event site, which will be interesting and nice as well. So yeah, we have a lot of things going
amazing.
On, and hopefully we will do better than we did last year. I think last year was good, but we try to always.
I mean, 35 years. It should be a big celebration, right?
It will, yeah, definitely.
Yes,
yeah.
And registrations are open until when?
Well, officially until Wednesday. So the good thing is that because of our new partner this year, CXP, we have actually online registration with online payment already. So you can basically finish everything from home, and you don't have to go anywhere to pay or whatever. So we're encouraging everybody to actually register online and pay online as well, so that you don't have to hustle on the Wednesday. But for those who really don't want to or cannot, then even on the Wednesday during the registration, you can also sign yourself up and pay on the spot. So that's actually until the 17th, you're still able to make it and compete during Hi-Winds. Yeah.
And for the ones that don't know, what categories would you have during the Hi-Winds for them to, you know, for the ones that are still interested in participating?
Yeah, so, well, it's quite a lot. I'll try to mention everything, but starting with the water sports, we have windsurfing, obviously, and then you have the long distance and the slalom. A new thing is that we also allow wing foilers and also the hydrofoil surfers. And then on kite surfing, we will have the long distance, the big air, which is also a very popular event. This year we will have it 4 days with a knockout. So then on Sunday the big final will be there. ATA actually already confirmed that we will have Lasse Walker, a pro kiter, competing in the big air as well. And also we had rumors that 2 pro kite surfers from the Slingshot team, which is a kite brand, will be competing in the big air.
Wow.
So it's going to be cool to watch the big air finals on the Sunday probably. Then obviously the kite cross. We also have the mountain bike races again on the Sunday morning. We will have sunfish again, which is sailing boats, and this year also there will be laser boats. There's also a type of sailboat that will compete. And last year that happened for the first time during Hi-Winds at the Surfside Beach. This year we actually brought them into the official Hi-Winds event terrain at Fisherman's Hut. So more things to watch also for the spectators on the shore. So that's
awesome.
cool as well. Yeah, yeah.
And we heard some international, professional athletes coming. Will we also have our own Sarakita during the Hi-Winds?
Well, I wish I could confirm on that. We're not really sure if she will be there. We sent her an invitation letter and we asked her to be there, but we have no official confirmation yet. So I have to. I cannot really answer that question at the moment. We're really hoping that she will, but yeah, she is a busy girl and
understandable.
We
awesome.
And do tell us about the schedule. So like the entertainment schedule. Like what can we expect of that?
We start off on the Wednesday night. After the registration, we will have the opening ceremony, and then we kick off with the carnival team. We will have Tsunami playing on the Wednesday evening. On the Thursday, every day we start around 2 p.m. with DJs that will bring us into the sunset vibes and get us in the mood to actually party. And then on the Thursday we have a DJ team, so we'll have Bradley from Gusto playing for us. And then on the remaining nights, every night there is entertainment. We have Roots and Rhythm. We will end on the Sunday with Honeypot as one of our favorite bands that is basically part of the Hi-Winds family for years already. That will be cool. And then on the actually Monday night, we will have our closing ceremony that used to take place at Paseo Orencia, but this year we changed it and it will be at the event site itself.
Okay.
We will use our own stage and we do the prize ceremony there, and that will be cool as well. So
awesome.
Lots of cool nights to be there as well.
Fantastic. Walter, thank you for your time and for coming in the studio today. I want to leave the microphone open for you to make an invitation for Aruba.
I will, and I also will steal a little bit of your time by thanking our sponsors, because it's a non-profit organization, Hi-Wind, and all the companies
very important
on the island make it possible for us to actually organize the event. So I want to give a special thanks to the Successfully IT company here on the island, who is our main sponsor again this year, first time last year, and they already confirmed to be for next year, so that's very, very helpful. We're very lucky to have ATA on our side again as a main sponsor, and the third main sponsor that we will have this year, which is also a part of the family, will be Amstel Bright. So those companies, they make it they make the biggest part possible for us. And to close off, I want to really ask everybody, if you're a kiter, windsurfer, if you're a mountain biker, to participate. If you are not one of those three things, or if you decide not to participate, then there's so much things going on the event side. It's so cool to watch the sport. So please all come to Aruba Hi-Winds and visit us and just enjoy, drink a beer and go wild.
Yes.
Awesome. I like that part. Go wild.
Yeah. No, definitely. Thank you for coming here and telling us a bit more about the Hi-Winds. We're looking forward to next week. We can't wait to be part on the side, though. We won't be participating, but we'll be there participating and going wild.
That's perfect. Thank you very much.
Maybe you can get more inspired to join to do a trial for the kite surfing.
Well, I can hook you up with your first lesson during Hi-Winds if you really want.
Perfect.
Yes.
Thank you, Walter, and